Please like and subscribe. The ocean's depths hold many mysteries, including crabs. These armored creatures with their scuttling gait and snapping claws are a source of endless fascination. Crabs are found in both shallow waters and the deepest trenches, coming in a dazzling array of colors and sizes. Their delicate, sweet meat is a culinary treasure, making crab feasts a celebration of tradition and community. From bustling seafood markets to upscale restaurants, crabs are a staple of the culinary world. This essay delves into the realm of two particularly captivating crab species, the majestic king crab and the lesser-known but equally impressive Tasmanian crab. Join us as we explore the habitats, characteristics, and culinary delights of these fascinating creatures. Crabs belong to the order Decapoda, which includes lobsters, shrimp, and prawns. Their 10 legs are attached to a flattened cephalothorax, with the first pair evolved into powerful claws. To grow, crabs must molt, shedding their old exoskeleton and growing a new one. Crabs communicate using drumming and waving their pincers, and they play a vital role in marine food webs. From the icy depths of the Arctic to the warm waters of the tropics, crabs have carved out their niche in ecosystems around the world. King crabs stand out for their impressive size and commanding presence. These giants are a prized catch for fishermen and a true delicacy for seafood lovers. King crabs belong to the family Lithodeidae, more closely related to hermit crabs than true crabs. Their scientific name, Paralithodes kamschaticus, hints at their preferred habitat, the cold waters of the North Pacific Ocean. King crabs are highly migratory, traveling long distances in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. From the icy depths to the dinner table, king crabs have captured our imaginations and appetites. King crabs, despite their name, are not true crabs. They rule the cold, dark depths of the North Pacific Ocean, from the Bering Sea to the waters off Japan and Russia. Their diet consists of a variety of benthic invertebrates, and they play an important role in maintaining the health of their ecosystem. The red king crab, the largest of the species, can reach a leg span of up to 6 feet and weigh over 20 pounds. This impressive stature makes them a formidable predator in the deep. King crabs have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in the deep sea. Their cold-blooded physiology and efficient gills allow them to withstand frigid temperatures and low oxygen levels. Sensitive hairs on their legs detect vibrations and changes in water pressure, helping them navigate and find prey. Mating occurs in the spring, with females carrying fertilized eggs for almost a year before releasing them. Only a small percentage of the larvae survive to reach adulthood. The king crab's hard exoskeleton provides protection from predators and the crushing pressure of the deep sea. To grow, they must molt, shedding their old exoskeleton and growing a new one. During molting, crabs are highly vulnerable until their new shell hardens. Molting also allows crabs to regenerate lost limbs, contributing to their resilience. This remarkable ability helps them survive in the challenging deep-sea environment. The journey of a king crab from the icy depths to our dinner plates is a testament to human ingenuity. Fishermen brave treacherous waters to harvest these prized creatures, using sustainable practices to ensure healthy populations. Once hauled aboard, crabs are kept alive and transported to processing facilities, where they are sorted and cooked. The crabs are then chilled rapidly to preserve their freshness and sold whole or processed further. Flash freezing technology allows for year-round availability, bringing the taste of the ocean to consumers worldwide. The allure of king crab lies in its delicate sweetness, firm texture, and succulent juiciness. The flavor is influenced by diet, habitat, and the season of harvest. Steaming preserves their natural sweetness, while grilling imparts a smoky char. King crab pairs well with a variety of flavors, from melted butter and lemon juice to garlic, ginger, and chili. Whether as an appetizer, main course, or part of a seafood feast, king crab never fails to impress. Enjoying king crab legs is a ritualistic pleasure, involving cracking the shells and extracting the succulent meat. Tools include a sturdy crab cracker, a small fork, and a bib. Crack the legs at the joints, pry open the shell, and reveal the treasure within. Dip the meat into your choice of sauce or enjoy its natural flavor. Savor the delicate sweetness and firm texture, celebrating nature's bounty. The Tasmanian giant crab dominates the depths surrounding Australia. Found in cold, deep waters, they are the largest crab species in the southern hemisphere. Their scientific name, Pseudocarcinus gigas, describes their imposing stature. These deep-sea denizens inhabit depths of up to 2,600 feet, enduring crushing pressure and perpetual darkness. Tasmanian giant crabs play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of life in this extreme environment. Life in the deep sea demands unique adaptations. Tasmanian giant crabs have evolved remarkable characteristics to thrive in this challenging environment. Their physiology withstands extremes of pressure, temperature, and darkness. They have a specialized circulatory system to cope with immense pressure. Their blood regulates osmotic pressure, ensuring cell function. Their cold-blooded metabolism conserves energy in frigid waters. They scavenge the ocean floor and prey on slow-moving creatures. Their eyesight adapts to the darkness, sensitive to movement and faint light. Tasmanian giant crabs are long-lived, with some reaching over 50 years. Tasmanian giant crabs play a vital role in the deep-sea ecosystem, acting as both scavengers and predators. Their presence helps to regulate populations of other organisms, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant. As scavengers, they feast on the carcasses of whales, sharks, and other large marine animals that sink to the ocean floor. Their powerful claws can tear through flesh and bone, making short work of even the toughest carcasses. This scavenging behavior helps to recycle nutrients back into the deep-sea food web, supporting a diverse array of organisms. Their predatory instincts also come into play when hunting live prey. They use their keen sense of smell and sensitive leg hairs to detect potential meals, ambushing their victims with surprising speed. Their crushing claws deliver a fatal blow, ensuring a quick and efficient kill. Tasmanian giant crabs are also known to engage in cannibalism, particularly when other food sources are scarce. This behavior, while seemingly gruesome, helps to regulate their population and ensure the survival of the fittest individuals. Their role as apex predators helps to maintain the delicate balance of the deep-sea ecosystem. By keeping populations of other organisms in check, they prevent overgrazing and competition for resources, ensuring the long-term health and stability of this unique and fragile environment. The Tasmanian giant crab's most striking feature is its massive size. Their imposing claws and sturdy exoskeletons inspire awe. Their size is a testament to their evolutionary success. It provides protection from predators. Their size allows them to store more energy reserves. Their exoskeletons are incredibly strong and durable. Like all crustaceans, they must molt to grow. This process leaves them vulnerable to predators. The Tasmanian giant crab, once shrouded in mystery, is now a sought-after delicacy. Its impressive size means an abundance of meat, prized by both fishermen and chefs. The journey from ocean depths to our plates showcases human ingenuity. Specialized traps and vessels are essential for this challenging endeavor. Crabs are kept alive to ensure freshness until they reach processing facilities. The meat is prized for its delicate flavor and firm texture, perfect for various dishes. Strict quotas and constant monitoring ensure the sustainability of the fishery. The culinary allure of the Tasmanian giant crab lies in its unique flavor profile, a delicate balance of sweetness and salinity. The meat is firm yet tender, with a slightly chewy texture, best appreciated when simply prepared, allowing its natural sweetness to shine. A squeeze of lemon juice, a drizzle of melted butter, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs enhance its taste. A true delicacy from the deep, sure to impress even the most discerning palate. As the demand for Tasmanian giant crab continues to grow, it is crucial to ensure the long-term sustainability of the fishery. Overfishing could have devastating consequences for this slow-growing species and the delicate deep-sea ecosystem it inhabits. Fortunately, the Tasmanian giant crab fishery is managed with a strong emphasis on conservation and responsible harvesting practices. Strict quotas are in place to limit the number of crabs that can be caught each year. These quotas are based on scientific assessments of crab populations, ensuring that enough crabs are left in the ocean to reproduce and maintain healthy population levels. The fishery also employs selective fishing gear, such as traps with escape hatches to minimize bycatch, the accidental capture of non-target species. This helps to reduce the impact of fishing on other marine life and ensures that only crabs of legal size are harvested. Furthermore, there is a strong emphasis on traceability and transparency in the Tasmanian giant crab fishery. Consumers can be confident that the crab they are purchasing has been caught legally and sustainably, with minimal impact on the environment. These sustainable practices are essential for ensuring the long-term health of the Tasmanian giant crab population and the continued enjoyment of this prized delicacy for generations to come. For seafood lovers seeking a unique and memorable culinary experience, the Tasmanian giant crab is a must-try. Its impressive size, delicate flavor, and sustainable sourcing make it a responsible and rewarding choice for any occasion. Whether you prefer your crab simply steamed or incorporated into a more elaborate dish, there is a world of culinary possibilities to explore. From the first crack of the claw to the last morsel of succulent meat, the Tasmanian giant crab is sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. So why not embark on a culinary adventure and discover the unique flavors of the deep? Seek out Tasmanian giant crab at your local seafood market or restaurant and experience the taste of the ocean's bounty. You won't be disappointed. King crabs and Tasmanian giant crabs, these denizens of the deep, have captivated our imaginations and appetites for centuries. Their imposing size and delectable flavors have earned them a place of honor on dinner tables worldwide. From the icy depths of the North Pacific to the cold waters surrounding Australia, these crustaceans are a testament to the incredible biodiversity of our oceans. The deep sea, once thought to be a barren and lifeless void, is now recognized as one of the most diverse and fragile ecosystems on Earth. King crabs and Tasmanian giant crabs, as apex predators in their respective habitats, play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of these deep-sea communities. Their presence helps to regulate populations of other organisms, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant and disrupting the intricate web of life. Their scavenging behavior helps to recycle nutrients back into the food web, supporting a diverse array of creatures that rely on the ocean floor for sustenance. However, these deep-sea ecosystems are facing increasing threats from human activities, including climate change, pollution, and deep-sea mining. Rising ocean temperatures, ocean acidification, and the accumulation of plastic waste in the deep sea pose significant challenges to the survival of these unique and vulnerable creatures. The decline of king crab and Tasmanian giant crab populations would have cascading effects throughout their respective ecosystems, disrupting food webs and potentially leading to the loss of other species. Their disappearance would also have economic consequences, impacting the livelihoods of fishermen and communities that rely on these crustaceans for their livelihoods. The future of king crabs. Tasmanian giant crabs and the delicate deep-sea ecosystems they inhabit depends on our collective actions to protect and preserve these invaluable resources. By supporting sustainable fishing practices, reducing our environmental footprint, and advocating for the protection of marine habitats, we can help ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. Consumers can play a vital role in supporting sustainable seafood choices. By seeking out king crab and Tasmanian giant crab products that are certified as sustainable by reputable organizations, such as the Marine Stewardship Council, MSC, we can help to incentivize responsible fishing practices and reduce our impact on overfished populations. Governments and policymakers have a responsibility to implement and enforce regulations that protect deep-sea habitats from destructive fishing practices, pollution, and mining activities. International cooperation is essential to address these global challenges and ensure the long-term health of our oceans. Scientists and researchers play a crucial role in monitoring crab populations, studying deep-sea ecosystems, and developing innovative solutions to the challenges facing our oceans. Their work provides the scientific foundation for informed decision-making and effective conservation strategies. The fate of king crabs. Tasmanian giant crabs and the countless other species that inhabit our oceans is ultimately in our hands. By embracing a shared responsibility for the health of our planet, we can ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. Let us treat our oceans with the respect they deserve, recognizing their vital importance to the health of our planet and the well-being of all living things. Let us support sustainable practices, reduce our environmental footprint, and advocate for the protection of these invaluable resources. Together, we can create a future where king crabs, Tasmanian giant crabs, and all marine life can thrive in harmony with humanity. Let us leave a legacy of ocean stewardship for future generations, ensuring that the wonders of the deep continue to inspire and nourish us for all time.